everyone, I know these two words from the instruction manual. This one by the movie, this one I built it all by myself. So let's start off with this one. For this one, when it's flying, you could transform it. It's too hard. Okay. And then it can fly like this. As a laser, but I know Beyblade and airplane has to control these two. And this one, it's very expensive. Of this spinner thingy, it spins and it's Beyblade jet. And here's a bomb. When it sends something, it comes on something like this. Ta-da! And do you know the glass carpet I made over here?
Show us.
It's over here, okay?
What about it?
I did put two of them together, so I put them that way to put the music.
Okay.
And I put the music over here. And watch how it spins. Okay, it cannot work in a mat.
Put it on the floor. Nice.
Do you want to see it how it goes in fast motion?
Yeah. Very nice.
This is with the bomb. And now. Oh, that was an explosion. You want to spin it? Oh.
Okay, now closing remarks. Chale. Ban.
And I hope you will enjoy this. And if you want to go to either one, and I already did, it just go on YouTube. And bye bye.